In this video, we'll show you how to buy PlayStation 5 gift cards on Amazon. First of all, you need to log into your Amazon account, then go to the search and write PS5 gift cards. And you will see a lot of gift cards with different amounts of money. For example, I will choose this one, $50, which is bestseller at this moment. When I open it, I can choose different amount. As you can see, from $10 to $250. And this is digital code, guys. You don't need to wait this item to receive. You just need to click on add to cart, purchase it, and in a few seconds, you will receive it on your email, guys. You will receive the letter from Amazon and there will be gift cards digital code, guys, and you need to use this digital code in PlayStation Store and redeem it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.